subfloor is more or less gutted. Now I have to hurry up because we need a floor to walk on so we can get to the bedrooms and everything. We got to fix this quick. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling out these old floor joists. Now I know that I could possibly put new joists in next to the old ones and sister them up. So old one, new one, hook them together. The reason I don't want to do that, in some places I will have to, but wherever I can replace them, I'm going to, because there's no point in leaving wood in there that could be rotted, but also the old joists are so twisted that if I sister them, you're going to have new wood I want straight, old wood like this, and they're not going to go together right, and I don't want my new wood to be twisted also. It just is going to make sense to get these old twisted pieces of wood out of the way. There's nothing attached to them, except for where they go under that wall. I can't touch those, but if there's nothing attached to them, they're coming out. How can something so rotten be so heavy? Well, I think that's a good start. It looks to be about 8 feet out of the way. I'm going to start bringing in some new joists and getting them set in place. I do get overwhelmed at times just looking at the amount of work that I have to do and how much of a disaster it is. But if you take it a little at a time, I know it gets done, and I just keep going, because what do? You can't give up. You got to get it done. I think that's the key. It's just realizing it has to be done whether you like it or not, so you just have to do it. The more I get done, the more optimistic and motivated I get, because I can see the end of the tunnel, you know what I mean? So, and Ashley is here with me. She's right outside picking up the mess. You know, she takes all this wood, she's taking care of it outside, keeping everything clean and organized. That's the update for now. So let me go get my wood and we'll see what we can do. trying to figure this out.